In operations with PTO-driven implements such as rotary harrows, pneumatic seed drills or sprayers, Agrofarm TTV again flaunts its capabilities as an all-purpose and highly efficient machine. After selecting the PTO speed required by the implement, the operator simply engages the PTO control. Agrofarm TTV automatically switches to PTO mode, wherein the PTO speed remains constant for the entire period of operation, irrespective of fluctuations of tractor ground speed. At this point, the operator can select the heavy-duty or normal range depending on the pulling capacity required by the operation, ensuring that the maximum system efficiency is guaranteed at all times. Before or during operations, the Eco-Power thumb wheel can be set in such a way as to adjust engine speed deviation from a minimum of 50 to a maximum of 400 RPM, in accordance with the load and/or gradients of the terrain. Thanks to constant maintenance of the PTO speed, operations are always performed to perfection. The travel speed control is optimal thanks to minimum 0.1 km/h increments between the speed of 0 and 15 km/h. In addition, the cruise function makes it possible to save the selected travel speed. Electronically controlled and proportional PTO engagement ensures smooth and comfortable engagement always, irrespective of the type of implement.